Welcome to another very exciting 5-minute auto pairing. Let's try main line Sicilian for a moment. Bit of a difference. Does he play G6? Trying this surprise weapon stuff. Quick H1, H5. Would he take? Yeah. So F2 is hanging now in some variations. If I castle Queen F2, is that dangerous for him though? Maybe Knight D5, trying to dislodge the knight for Bishop B5 check. So if I castle Queen F2, Knight D5, that's interesting. Okay. Knight D5 round here, hitting the queen. Knight E4 might be interesting. What do I do? Queen F4 on that? And here I can play a check. There's king still in the centre. Alright. If I castle here. Oh, there's Knight E4, we can win a pawn. Was that dumb or what? It's got Knight E4. Can I play F3? Stop that, is it worth it? Or Rook H4 for Queen H6. Maybe Rook H4. Yeah, that looks useful. Queen H6, King G8. Then what? Get the king out the firing line here. Okay, F3 G4. Is that on the cards as useful? His rook's always going to be defensive on H8. What about Knight D4 to F5? Then there's Queen G5. Knight D4. If Knight C4 had taken, then Knight F5 for Rook takes C4. Rook H1 and G4. Oh, that's interesting and quirky. Whoa. Oh, I suppose A5 was attacked. All right, I'll build up for something over here maybe. I didn't notice I was attacking A5. Even okay. G4 around here. I don't think it's doing too much. Knight D4 for Knight F5. But it gives actually okay if Knight D5 Bishop D7. Otherwise Queen G5 for Knight F5. Maybe this is dangerous. Queen G5 because my rook's holding D4. So Queen G5. Maybe with either Knight F5. Again, here, Knight F5 idea, or even Rook H5 there. Yeah, because then check and then I'm going to be mating over there. So the knight's held by the rook. Knight D5, Rook H5. If the queen does take there, after then there's queen. Oh no, there's King F6. Alright, is there interest in Knight F5 there? Okay, it looks pretty classic sort of attack, except it's blocked at the moment. So knight f5, king f8, what's the big deal? Do I need... oh, g4 just loses that piece. Unless taking is dangerous. Queen moves. I mean, I suppose that's dangerous as well. The queen on d4 is annoying. What about just c3 and then I can play g4? And if he takes, I'll get the rooks off. I don't think it achieves anything though. Alright, well, here I can start the ball rolling, I think, with knight f5. Then maybe rook h5 after.
Check.
Actually, I think rook h5 is dangerous. King f8, rook h5. My back row is a bit weak. There'll be a check. No checks after that. I'm controlling e8, so is rook h5 any good? Takes queen g1. If he takes that, it looks dangerous. Knight g6, queen h6. It looks dangerous to play this. It looks like fun anyway.
Check. Check.
It did look like fun. Have I got this move or not? If I'm lucky, there's no check. King a3, there was a check. There's no check on e3. Thankfully, there's no immediate check by him at the moment. So, in fact, takes queen g7 as mate because of that bishop. Threatening mate. f6, check. King f7, check. There's a check here. It looks pretty dangerous to play f6. What about just queen h6? King f7. Oh, the king comes there. Okay, that needs to be checked out. Pardon the pun. I need to check out the checks on f6. Check, check. I got a check there. King d5. I think that's very dangerous, surely. I should go with my queen to check over there. King d5. Is it worth calculating this? There's queen d6. No, that looks decisive. Check, 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 check.
Check.
Checking out the checks.
Check.
Undermining the pawn chain
Check.
through these checks. e7 and d6 drops, undermining the pawn chain.
Checkmate.
And it's checkmate. Okay. Yeah, I wanted a different thing from Smith Morris. Sometimes you want variety. Yeah, it's just a novel. I don't know, I just made it up. Okay, this is quick h4, h5. I'm not sure it's that common at all. This was an okay position though, I think.
Check.
Oh, this is actually good. Yeah, rook h5 is good.
Check. Check.
I'm pleased about that. Yeah, and it's the mate in 4. Did I follow the mate in 4?
Check. Checkmate.
No, I went for it a bit quick, didn't I? So black speller here. a4, yeah. I thought, even though I'm casting queenside, I can't allow a4, can I? He's even got a4 or queen at f2. So a4 is a bit of a concession, but I wanted to mark out b5. Knight d5 was also a bit annoying because of this pressure here. Where does the knight go? I can't castle queenside because, well, you can take, you just take here maybe. So I think knight d5 virtually forced. Interesting is this. Okay. Oh blimey, what is this about actually? No, I didn't see this. Oh my word, black's better there. That's very tactical. Okay.
Check.
knight e4 here is on f2. It doesn't matter about f7 probably. Oh, maybe I did have knight takes a5. Okay, didn't really notice that. Tension over here
Check.
for the goodies of the
Check.
king safety,
Check.
but it's good I'm not getting mated myself. Bit fortunate there. Comments, questions, likes appreciated. Shares appreciated as well. Okay, thanks very much.